Welcome to our eTwinning project, Sustainable Schools for Sustainable Societies. We are 10 schools from Poland, France, Portugal, Italy, Turkey, and Greece that share the vision of sustainable education. Our project is inspired by the EU and UNESCO frameworks, but we add our own ideas for our dream schools. We started by sharing visions in online meetings and using digital tools for asynchronous interaction. We work in small international teams to investigate and map educational inequality around the world. We will collaboratively explore innovative solutions to educational challenges and compile a list of recommended learning applications. We also plan to simulate a global conference of education policymakers and lobby for our proposals for sustainable education. We insist on environmental and cultural sustainability, democratic values, attitudes and skills, active civic participation and critical digital literacy, and of course, emotional and social well-being in school. Education can save the world as we know it and transform it to make it more peaceful, inclusive, and fair. European schools can join forces for sustainable schools and sustainable societies.